In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn indicators into strategies with Chatgpt in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview and adding your chosen indicator, the one you want to transform into a strategy. Once it's on the chart, click on the indicator's name and select Pine Editor to view the code. Note that you need access to the script source to proceed. Protected or closed source indicators can't be copied. If the code opens, highlight and copy the entire script in the Pine Editor, so you have everything Chatgpt will need. Head over to Chatgpt and paste that code into your message. Use a clear prompt that sets the rules you want. For example, convert this PineScript indicator into a Tradingview strategy. Create a long entry when condition and a short entry when condition. Add exit conditions, stop losses, and take profits. Replace the placeholders with your actual rules. The more precise you are, like which crosses, thresholds, or confirmations you want, the cleaner the resulting strategy logic will be. Ask for realistic stop loss and take profit handling. And make sure your exit conditions are unambiguous, so you don't end up stuck in trades. When Chatgpt returns the strategy code, go back to Tradingview's Pine Editor. Click New, then Strategy. Delete the default template code. Paste in the code you received, then click Save and Add to Chart. If the strategy compiles, you'll immediately see entries and exits plotted, along with performance metrics available in the strategy tester. If it doesn't compile, don't worry. Copy the exact error message from the Pine Editor console and paste it back to Chatgpt with a short note asking for a fix. Keep the error text intact so the model can pinpoint the issue. Replace the code with the updated version, save, and add it to your chart again. A couple of quick iterations usually resolve common type, version, or variable issues. With the strategy running, open the Strategy Tester tab to analyze performance. Look at metrics like net profit, drawdown, and win rate. And make sure your stop loss and take profit levels make sense for your market and time frame. Remember, this process turns ideas into testable rules, so clarity in your conditions is key. That's it. Thanks for watching.